Alright, what you're seeing right now is Rich Swire Jr. underneath the chopper, attaching with duct tape the GoPro camera so we can get point of view from the helicopter. Alright, here's the chopper starting, about taking off, I don't know, revving up, warming up.
You can pick up one of those used, maybe?
Oh yeah. We'll get a used chopper.
We could lease it.
Yeah. We're just talking about those options. Alright, so there he is with the original Bat Cycle from the Batman TV series. He's getting ready. Alright, so now he's getting ready. There's his family. I think they're praying. They're holding their hands and praying. And that's his brother is the one that it's in the chopper.
Oh, cool.
Alright, he's gone. He's going. Wow. I don't know how much of this you can even see. Wow. That is crazy. Alright, he's hanging upside down. Can you see that? Oh my god, by one leg. Oh wow. Look at the crowd. The crowd's going crazy. Ah, look at it. And it's done. Wow. One arm, one arm. Everyone's cheering. There, where is he?
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's here for Bello Nock. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Pedro Reyes. I'm the CEO and founder of Circus Sarasota. And let me just tell you, I'm just as excited as you are.
Thank you all very much. It is absolute blessing and so inspiring to see so many people show up for something like this. I want to thank you. Thank you for all the hard people that work at Circus Sarasota to make all this happen. Thanks to my brother Eugene Nock, who is an airline transport pilot, the only guy in the entire United States that holds the license to do what we just did legally. 25 years of doing that safe.
Alright, so if I'm totally honest, I get so, look how much I'm sweating. I get so nervous watching stunts like that. And almost this feeling of impending doom. Now the stunt's over, it went great. He did a great job. I'm amazed. 1 foot. And I've been like that every year that I've gone to this circus. Whenever the stunt is happening and it happens above where we're sitting, and I'm like, he's gonna fall and land on me. But he didn't fall, and it was very exciting to be there. I can't imagine how I couldn't hang from the trapeze if it was stationary. Amazed.